Hi, my name is Venkat and I am from Hyderabad. I am graduated in electrical engineering. After my graduation, I was searching for a job. Due to lack of knowledge, I did not crack any interview. So one of my seniors suggested me to join in Evision Technoserve. This is one of the finest institute where you can learn from the scratch. This is an job-oriented internship program, duration of 45 days. After the completion of this program, under the guidance of Evision industry experts, I got placed in Prolifics with a CTC of 3 lakhs. Thank you, Evision, for this career guidance. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.